When creating a payment for an invoice in Cliniko, you may have come across the error payment allocations exceed the amount of the payment. To fix this, you'll want to ensure that the amount allocated in the Apply to Invoices section doesn't exceed the payment source total. For example, my patient paid $50 in cash, which I indicated in the payment source section, but I accidentally applied $100 to their invoice. In the Apply to Invoices section, under the Payment Amount column, I can adjust the total to $50, or if the patient paid more than 50, I can of course adjust the payment source instead. For example, change the amount paid to $100 cash so it matches the Apply to Invoices section. If you have multiple invoices open, make sure the payment amount column looks correct and the total does not exceed your payment source amount, as making adjustments will automatically adjust the allocations to your invoices. Older invoices are listed first, so make sure you're applying the payment to the intended invoices. Have any additional payment questions? Reach out to our team. We'd be happy to help.